Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the pressure switch on an LG washing machine. You'll know if the pressure switch is faulty on your washing machine if the machine is overfilling with water. Alongside this, your machine may display the error codes PE, IE or FE. If your machine is displaying the PE error code, it is definitely the pressure switch that's the problem. However, if your machine is displaying either IE or FE as an error code, then it could be the water inlet valve that's the problem. But you'll know if that is the case because your machine won't be filling with water rather than overfilling with water. Now, if you need to know how to replace the water inlet valve in your machine, you can check out our video here. However, if it's the pressure switch, then you can carry on with this replacement guide. Let's get stuck in. To carry out a pressure switch replacement, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver and of course a new pressure switch. And you can find the one for your model in the link in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. Now we need to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two Phillips head screws that hold it in place. With the top unscrewed, you can simply pull it back, lift up and move out the way. With the top off, here we can see the pressure switch at the front right of the machine. To remove, simply undo the screw that holds the pressure switch and bracket in place. You can then remove the electrical connection and pull out the hose underneath. Now, before replacing the pressure switch, it's worth checking that the hose or air pipe here isn't simply blocked instead, as this could be the cause of the issue. Simply blow through the air pipe to check this. Now, if blowing through the pipe unclogs any dust or grime, it's worth reassembling the appliance and giving it a try to see if this has fixed the problem. If not, you can proceed with replacing the pressure switch. When replacing the pressure switch in your LG washing machine, it's essential that you know your washing machine's model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct pressure switch for your appliance. To find the model number of your appliance, check out our video here. To fit your new pressure switch, attach the hose or air pipe at the bottom, reconnect the electrical connection, and then you can screw it into place using your Phillips screwdriver. And then finally, you can fit the top of the appliance and screw it back into place. So there we have it, how to fit a new pressure switch to an LG washing machine. Now that your washing machine is up and running again, why not check out our handy video here, Washing Machine Energy Saving Tips. There you can find out how to save energy and money whilst also getting the most out of your machine. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, handy appliance maintenance advice and much, much more. Thanks for watching.